Login loop error on Business Fix. If you're stuck in a login loop on Business where you enter your details and it keeps redirecting you back to the login page, you're probably wondering what's wrong. Most people assume their account is locked or that servers are down. But the truth is, this problem almost always comes from cached data or browser settings that confuse the login system. Let's walk through how to fix it. Start by closing the app or browser tab completely. Then, reopen it and try again. If that doesn't work, clear your app cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, select and tap Clear Cache. On iPhone, uninstall and reinstall the app to reset the session data. If you're logging in via a browser, open your browser settings, go to Privacy or History and clear cookies specifically for an. Old cookies can store expired tokens that keep looping your login attempts. Next, make sure your app or browser is fully updated. Outdated versions may fail to handle latest authentication methods, especially those involving two-factor verification. If you're still looping, try switching your internet connection. Move from Wi-Fi to mobile data or use a different network. Some firewalls or network filters block secure login redirects that uses. Also, disable any password managers or browser extensions temporarily. These can autofill old or corrupted credentials, preventing proper login. Manually type your email and password to ensure accuracy. Once you've done these steps, restart your phone or computer and try again. The loop should now disappear, allowing you to access your business account normally. In short, the login loop isn't a sign of a major issue, it's just your device clinging to outdated data. Clear it, refresh your session, and you'll be back to managing your finances on with no interruptions.